Hi guys, my name is Philip. So now I'm gonna talk about how to rename my scheme. Okay, this one my scheme. So let's say if this name you want to change it, then you may come to here, account setting, go to scheme, MY. Then you may see this one, your file. So you can click edit. So if you want to edit the name right in here, design name, you want to edit it, then you may just click this one, the pen. Just change the name, design name. Let's say I put Topica. Okay. Topica. Space, select doodle. Style, select partially. Okay. Click OK. So the name changed already. Then when you come back to here, go to File, My Scheme. You may see the name change also. Okay, happy trying.